Good morning, my name's Tom Wills and you're joining me today in sunny Poole, our PDI centre and delivery centre here in the UK. This morning I'm on board this stunning Brabus Shadow 900 Suntop and I want to give you an in-depth walkthrough and show you what this boat's all about and some of the features it has. It's simply breathtaking, so come with me and let's go and have a look through. Okay, so let's start up on the bow of this Shadow 900 and immediately you get to see there's just so much space up here. There's a lot of room to enjoy the sunshine and be out with friends, family up here on the bow. This boat's got the extended sunbathing section in front of the seat, so you've got not only a bit of storage in there, but also the extension there for your legs, and you can see all the upholstery finished beautifully in this Brabus quilted upholstery, which looks absolutely stunning. I'm sat here on the anchor locker, and this section lifts up, and in the anchor locker there you've got your shore power connection, your windlass remote for your electric windlass for the anchor, and it's also quite a handy place to store some fenders and bits and pieces in there, so that's a really useful part of the boat as well. You've got these nicely inlaid stainless steel cup holders there located in the upholstery, and it's all about detailing here. So throughout this whole boat, it's all about the detail. So you've got the Brabus stitching on the seat showing the logo, and it really is finished beautifully everywhere you look. The Shadow 900 comes with the S-Tech decking, so you can see here we've got this really nice to touch, a light grey with the dark grey detailing in there, so that's a really nice feature as well. So I'll start to move backwards now towards the stern of the boat, and as I do that, the first thing that I need to talk about is the gull-wing doors. So the Shadow 900 is well known now for its gull-wing doors on the bow, and they're so easy to operate. So I've got a little button here, I push that, and that door is gas assisted, so it's very easy to lift up, and that gives me immediate access to the bow. The side decks here are very safe to walk down as well. You'll notice that I've got the handrail here all the way down. There's a little step here located, making easy boarding if you are alongside. And as I come back down now towards the helm, you can see it's just very easy to get around this boat. There's no step, so you've got no step between the side deck here and the helm area and the dining area. So that's a really nice feature as well. You can see here you've got the Shadow 900 detailing on the deck, adding to that detail. You've got the Brabus logo on all these cleats. Again, detail. Once you're back at this area of the boat, one of the options on this particular 900 has actually got what they call the lounge option. So the lounge option does away with the individual seats which you've seen on other boats and gives you this large bench seat. I really like this because it gives you a lot more room. You could easily sit 4 or 5 people along there, and if you've got children on the boat or younger people, it's easier to locate them on that seat as well. You've got this table here which pulls out, so they just extend like that. The table opens, and then you've got this beautiful large dining area for entertaining on. You've got the Brabus logo here again on the table. So in order to make this area even more sociable, you can actually move this backrest of the helm seat forward, making this into a seat as well. So a colleague here, just going to pull the pin out on that there, push that like that, and all of a sudden you've got a huge, really comfortable seating area. All this seating is, as with the bow seating, is finished beautifully in the Brabus upholstery, all with a diamond stitch, got the Brabus logo there. And this is a really comfortable place to have lunch. So part of the Brabus is you've got fantastic audio systems. So you've got speakers in the side decks, you've also got speakers here in the ceiling, and then you've got the sub down here. So the sound system on this boat is absolutely superb. You may have spotted above me here, you've got the opening roof. Now this boat's only really just arrived with us here in the UK, so she hasn't even got batteries on yet. So I can't actually open the roof for you. But with the roof open, that gives you the ability to literally have this area really open, sit here in the sun, or you can have the shade. You'll notice as well, you've got a zipper all around the outside. The boat comes with a full enclosed canopy. So if you do want to enclose this area and make it more usable out of season or early season, you can do. I've just jumped up at the helm now, this awesome machine, and you've got everything to hand. Immediately you get a sense of quality. So you've got this beautiful carbon fibre work here on the dashboard here. You've got the twin Simrad MFDs behind the glass bridge screen. Now, as I mentioned, we've got no batteries on board this boat that's just arrived, so I can't turn this on at the moment, but they have got the MFD screens there. You'll see as well you've got the Mercury JPO system, so that gives you both joystick control, it gives you dynamic positioning, skyhook, so you can actually hook onto the satellites and the boat will stay in location. And a feature which I don't think actually gets spoken about that often is it also gives you autopilot. So a boat of this size is very capable at going longer distances, and on those longer distances it's great to have an autopilot feature, and that's on there as well. You've got the twin throttles, nice things to have. You've got the wireless charger up here, USB waterproof charger as well. And then you'll notice on the steering wheel as well, it's actually multifunctional, designed by Brabus and Axopar, You can actually do multiple options, so I can trim the boat, I can use the trim tabs, I can also use the bow thruster from here as well and control the audio. And that's all really nice to hand. Wheels on a nice position. I'm sort of sat here on the bolster, but I can actually move the steering wheel should I want to stand or sit. That's really easy to do there. Down here I've got a VHF, so I've got one of the latest Simrad VHS down there as well. And the all-important kill cord switch down there, which isn't in place at the moment because we're not on the water. Got a beautiful detailing here, signed by Constantine Ridgman here, who's the owner of Brabus, and it's nice to, again, all that little detailing, more speakers inlaid here. So I think you've got an idea here of just how much detail there is at the helm. So I've just jumped down into the forward cabin of this boat, and the Brabus theme really does continue. Everywhere you look, you've got beautiful quality finishes. So you've got this really soft leather on here, still with the diamond, the Brabus detailing. You've got sprung mattresses on this boat. So you've got sprung mattresses in this cabin and in the aft cabin. You've got these two huge going doors letting all this natural light in here. And this is a really, really nice place to be. The flooring's got Brabus quilted leather mats in. The carpet is an upgraded material. All around the side here, we've got quilted Brabus leather. It's just everywhere, and it feels a very special boat. It really does. Even underneath the bunk is carpeted. I mean, you don't see that very often on a boat. Usually that would just be plywood. Plenty of room in here for 2 people on the practical side, so you could easily sleep in here overnight. And then behind me here, slightly further off, this boat's fitted with the toilet compartment. So it's got a separate toilet cubicle with a freshwater flush toilet and a sink, etc. So that's a really nice feature. If you're staying on board, you have still got that toilet, and it's in that separate compartment, which is really nice. So this particular Shadow 900 is set up with the aft cabin, so an option on the extras price list is for the aft cabin setup. So here I've got a large door which opens up just by pushing that button down there, fully lockable. And this is a great space, a great cabin. So you've got a double berth in there, which is again a sprung mattress with all the same Brabus detailing you've got in the forward cabin section. So I'm just going to show you, it's really easy to get down here. There's a couple of nice steps, and once you're in, there's plenty of room. It's a really nice space. You've got a large skylight above you here, which is one open there. You've got more of those beautiful Brabus cushions with the leather sides as well, and it's a really comfortable place. You can easily sleep in here. So I'm right the aft of the boat here. I've just spoken about the aft cabin, giving you this large sun pad here at the rear of the boat, and as you can see, it is a really good size. You can easily get a couple of people on there, right at the back of the boat. A lovely place to sit and relax. Again, it's beautifully finished in all that Brabus quality upholstery with the stitching. And you'll see me here, I'm also sat on these rear rope locker cushions, so that's a nice place to sit as well, right at the stern of the boat here. Boat's fitted with twin 450R engines, so awesome performance. You've got to see it to believe it, beyond one to believe it. It really is 50 plus knot performance. And with the ability, the seakeeping of the hull, it gives you security, safety in the water. So we've had lots of customers that haven't driven boats this fast before, but when you get on something like this, the hull is so good, it gives you confidence. Even though you've got 900 horsepower here, it gives you confidence. You've got the protection of the helm, you've got the JPO, you've got all the systems on board this boat to give you that confidence. So we do hope you really enjoyed having a look through what is, I'm sure you'll agree, a stunning bit of kit. Please do get in contact with us. Our contact details are in the description below this video, or give us a call on the number that's in the description, and we look forward to talking to you not only about this boat, but about any other questions you may have about the Brabus Marine product. Don't forget to subscribe or follow us on whichever platform you may be watching this, and thank you very much for watching.